take a picture now? Alright, first catfish of the day at the catch-out pond. Looks pretty good size. This is also the second catfish. And yeah, catch-out pond. It's bleeding.
I am 6 graphite. Hey guys, we are going down to the creek. It's a very nice day. It's in the low 60s and it's March 30th, 2014, and we're gonna try my good spot. And today I'm gonna be using live night crawlers. So I'll get back to you if I get it. Oh, that was a good cast. There's a fish, guys. It's a small one, but there's a chub. There he is. Alright, I'm gonna get the hook out. Oh, I'm gonna lip him. Nice little chub. I think the bite is starting to turn on because I'm starting to get a lot more fish, a lot more bites. I think they like the night crawlers better than anything because they've been, oh, there's a fish, little fish. This is a little chub. Alright, I'm gonna try and lick him. There we go. Nice little chub. Oh, got a big fish. Alright, when I turned on the camera. That's a nice chub. There we go. The bite is, oh yes! They're spawning. The bigger male chubs will be here in about a week, I'm sure. But look at that nice chub. It's fat. Hold on. Yeah, he's a fat chub. Alright, he's going back. Alright, I'll get back to you when I get a fish. Biting fish. Oh, there's a nice one. That's a nice one. There we go. He's a fatty. Ouch. Oh, there we go. Alright. Another fat chub. He's going back. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get another one. Oh man, I just missed a fish. There's, this is a big fish. This is a big fish. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Yes, I got him. Oh my gosh, that's a big chub. That is a big chub. Yes. Guys, I am so happy. Look at that chub. That's I'd say 4 or 5 inches. Here. This is him to my hand. So yeah, that's a nice chub. I'm gonna let her go the good way. Okay. And there she goes. Oh, fish! Oh, this is a nice fish. Wow. I'd probably have to go through that water if there was a real emergency. Just talking to myself here, catching these fish. Nice chubs. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get another. Hey guys, while I'm here, I just want to say go subscribe to Jason H. There'll probably be a lot of Jason H's, but he's my friend, one of my good friends. We go fishing a lot. He does creek fishing videos right now. I'm sure he'll be doing like bass fishing and stuff. But yeah, go subscribe to him. He's one of my good friends. We'll probably be doing some videos together. So yeah, go subscribe to him, and I'm getting a bite. Oh, this is a big fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Oh, look at this chub. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Look at this chub, guys. Oh my god. I just caught that. Look at that chub. Look at that chub. Oh my lord. I'm gonna weigh him. Okay. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Okay. Oh my god, guys, this thing's huge. I'm gonna see if he weighs like anything. I'm not gonna hurt him. I'm gonna put him back, but look at that big chub. That thing is huge. Okay, I need to hurry before he suffocates or something. Okay, I'm hurrying. Okay, I'm putting him back. Huge chub, guys. Look at this. Huge chub. Look. Oh my gosh, that thing is huge. Alright, he's gonna go back. But yeah, I'm putting him in over here. Alright, see ya. Mind that phone. Alright, I'll get back to you if I get a fish. Okay, so this is probably gonna be my last cast. Oh, I got a chub, yes. Okay, this is gonna be my last chub, because we're going to Wildwood, and if I catch anything, I'll do a own video, but...
I'm going to go up and see Mom.
Alright, so, last fish of the day on a perfect day at the creek. Absolutely great day at the creek. So, alright, so thanks for watching, and tune in next time, please. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.